So we're here at Lift 2012, and so you had a workshop. What were you talking about?
It was a workshop which was called Beyond Data. It was a workshop about data visualization and data embodiment, and we were looking for ways to kind of find ways to embody or physicalize data so it can be sensed or felt. And we had approximately 10 people in the workshop, and it was quite exciting. It was quite filled with energy, and we asked them to bring up different issues, different devices they can imagine as a data interface, and also different sensations, like how you can feel something. Like it can be fear, it can be a rhythm, it can be a magnetic force or pulling, whatever. And it was like started with this kind of bringing up these topics and then connecting them like really randomly. It was really crazy because people were really kind of okay, how you can connect the topic of food with like food as an interface, with the topic of environmental friendliness, and with the sensation of fear. And like there are these three topics you should have to connect, and it's like pretty difficult, but they kind of made up these crazy stories and made these sketches of concepts that can be implemented in the future. Well, it doesn't necessarily have to be, but it was a really nice creative.
So it was
activity.
1 hour?
It was like 90 minutes.
90 minutes, and the result is sketches.
Yeah, many sketches of concepts. And actually, we will pour it into a publication which we are preparing at Kitchen Budapest, and it's actually a collaboration project with Baltan Laboratories based in Eindhoven. Baltan, yes.
Are you based in Budapest?
Yes, both.
Yeah?
Yes, and it's actually already a series of workshops where first it was more like getting to know each other and recycling projects and brainstorming, idea generation, also inviting companies, organizations who deal with a large amount of data. And then the second workshop was about kind of creating some projects which will be publicly exhibited. So it was also a good way to kind of get feedback from the public. And now, again, it's in this workshop location in Lift. We asked the participants to create sketches. So all this will be fed into this publication, Beyond Data, which is coming maybe April or May.
Is that what you do? The app?
Sorry?
You do an app? What do you do?
A book. We will do a book.
And what do you do otherwise at Kitchen Budapest?
Well, it's a kind of media lab or innovation lab, and Attila is working as a research supervisor. I'm the head of research there, and we are making cool projects around technology, based on technology, mostly cultural, sometimes business-minded, so it's like a creative mess.
Creative mess?
Yeah.
Is it like the MIT of Budapest, or what is it?
Well, it's like, actually we exhibited at Lift 3 years ago, and we had a chat with Windsurf, the father of the internet. And well, he said like, oh, we are just like Google. So actually we are the Google's 20% time. So
you are just 20%?
Yeah, we like, when you are free to do whatever you want, just, experiment, be bold, go crazy and do whatever related to technology, but always consider cultural, artistic, social values.
How many people are you?
It's like 15 people.
15? And so you do whatever you want, and you can never get fired, or how does it work?
Of course. Well, it's not now we are actually in the middle of changing how we work, because we used to work with a pool of researchers, young people who are really open to share their ideas, skills, knowledge, and to collaboratively work on projects like that. And now we are moving to more like a company way of working, structuring.
Yeah. You sell stuff to companies?
We also work on external commissions, yes.
Where?
Mainly in Hungary, of course,
yeah.
And then we also exhibit many things like at festivals, conferences, exhibition spaces all around the world. So, including we did like an installation for Arcel Center last year in Linz, Austria. We exhibited at the Pixel Lake Festival in Helsinki, or San Jose Biennale in US.
Are you programmers, hackers, or what are you?
It's funny because none of us at Kitchen Budapest are like really single-minded. Balint has a background in
product design. Yeah, but I'm more like I don't know, hacker.
Hacker?
Yeah.
And I myself, I have the background in architecture, but I'm more like an internet freak. So like, I'm just interested in how things are built up, like the social infrastructure, the software infrastructure, and how digital technologies can actually help to change and develop this, improve this social infrastructure behind knowledge sharing, production, learning, education. Cool.